YouTube, your boy Speedy back with another video, man. Today I'm gonna give y'all a little slight POV drive, bro. Like, bro, it's snowing outside, bro. This is crazy, bro. Like, it ain't snowed down here and Lord knows how long it ain't snowed in Mexico, bro. But yeah, man, just look at it. Ooh, that girl looking good with that snow up on there, boy. No cap. But yeah, man, I know y'all seen this view in the last video, but I'm sure y'all again, cause this is different perspective with this snow, bro. Like, come on, bro, look at her. She's sitting too good, boy. I'm finna get so many pictures. But yeah, bro, like, this is crazy, bro. Y'all know I could not let this opportunity slip past me without giving y'all the POV drive, bro. It ain't gonna be long, cause I try to be careful. I ain't never drove no car in no snow before, so I don't know how it go. But yeah, man, I just want to show y'all, bro, like, it's coming down good too, bro. Like, look at me. I know I probably look cursed, all that good stuff, but whatever, bro. But yeah, man, y'all just look at it, bro. Like, this snow tearing me up in the face. But yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and get that phone mounted up on my head. Be all this light little POV drive. Hope y'all enjoy it, man. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Let's do it. Hey, y'all. Before I get up in the car, hey, bro, look. Hey, I'm ready, boy. Look at that drip. But yeah, man, for real, this time I'm finna go ahead, mount y'all up, get y'all up on this road, take y'all to drive me so good, man. Let's do it. Alright, YouTube, man, we back, man. Look, man, like I told y'all, bro, it getting down out here, man. It getting down and dirty in Mexico. But nah, bro, hey, bro. Like I said, bro, I'd be a fool not to get y'all no POV drive while it's snowing, bro. Like, who would I be not to get y'all that content for real, bro? Like, hey, man, I was out here in the snow recording, trying to get some, you know, get some footage, get some pictures of my car, bro. I am freezing, but I had to get on, bro. I couldn't take that, bro. I can't feel my fingers or nothing. But yeah, man, like I say, each and everybody that's out here driving in this snow or whatever, man, I hope y'all folk be safe. Hope y'all get to y'all destinations. I hope y'all get to where y'all going, all that good stuff. Yeah, man. But yeah, man, we just gonna go spend some time with the fam, play with my nephew. I'm most definitely finna throw him in the snow. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, bro, this is crazy, bro. I ain't seen my little town, my little city like this in some years, boy. I'm about to be 38. Oh! Last time it snowed, I was 7. So that let y'all know how long it been for real. Hey, look, bro, I'm so excited, but I forgot to put on my dang seatbelt to record for y'all. Hey, man.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Hey, shh. Don't tell nobody that. Don't tell nobody we forgot to put that on there. But we got it on now, man. But yeah, as y'all see, bro, like, I wish you would have did this on Christmas, bro. I'm in the Christmas spirit now, and Christmas gone. But you know, we celebrate the Lord's birthday every day of the year, so that's that's a different story, for real. But y'all see that little scatty waddy right there, little orangey, look good, no cap. But yeah, man, like I said, it's just gonna be a little slight POV drive. I ain't trying to go too crazy, bro. I'm not about to rate this car trying to go crazy for no video. I'll be damn. Yeah, bro, this is crazy, bro. Like, it's actually snowing in Mexico, bro. I know that UPS man sick right now. Goddamn, man. Then he driving with no windows, none of that, bro. Hell no, ski. Yeah, man. So I don't even know if it's, oh shoot, but yeah, man. And y'all already know, man, we on E2, we go crazy, but we gonna be over there, or we gonna be over there, one or the other. And I ain't trying to be over there for real, but yeah, man, I'm just excited to be back recording for y'all good folk, man. No cap. I hope this view look good for y'all. I think my little head mount a little loose, but hey, this video ain't gonna be too long anyway, so long as I'm getting the video out and it look good, everything quality, that's all that matters. And y'all, just y'all enjoy it, man. So y'all just make sure y'all give me y'all feedback, man. Let me know what y'all good folk want to see. I'll bring it to y'all, no cap. Like, I'm over here driving like Mr. Granddaddy, but we gotta be safe out there, bitch. Well, no cap, cause if I go crazy in this video and I end up in a ditch and a tree, y'all can't get no more video from me. Car videos, like, it's over with. But yeah, bro, this just amazing, bro. Like, I ain't even know it was gonna stick or none of this, bro. It actually going crazy down here for real, for real. But I guess sports shouldn't be too much to drive to where I'm going. Hopefully it ain't. But yeah, bro, I'ma shut up and just let y'all enjoy the vibe, enjoy the drive. So I'ma be quiet from this point on. I'm gonna start back talking in a minute. So yeah. Alright, I gotta say something. That E85 smells so good, bro. Alright. I'm done talking, bro. Hey, boy, these roads are slick, bro. My trans ain't doing the best because it's freezing, and I know it's gonna take a while for this transmission to warm up. But yeah, bro, that's besides the point. Like I say, I'ma just shut up, let y'all enjoy the ride as if y'all was sitting here next to me. Well, nah, that don't make sense, cause if I was sitting here next to me, it'd be a different thing. All right, bro, I'ma shut up. I'll give y'all a little treat though. Let me get on that open road, bro. I got y'all good folk. No cap. I got y'all. Don't tell nobody we doing this, bro. They between me and y'all folk. Me and y'all now. Boy. If I ain't know how to drive, boy. Boy, Travis is jerky, boy, it's cold, boy. Man, this looks so good out here, bro. I cannot lie. Alright, y'all. I got y'all right here. Alright, bro. This y'all a little treat, man. No cap. Hold on. Oh! Oh, my traction control, bro. Hold on. Hey, bro, my car feeling weird when I did that, bro. Hold on, y'all. Oh! Alright, never mind. It's a car behind me. That's just God telling me to chill before I crash. I ain't doing it. But I just drive a sport for y'all, bro. I ain't trying to do that crazy for real. But yeah, bro. Like I said, I just want to give y'all a little slight POV, bro. Alright. Yeah, bro. I just wanted y'all to. Oh, look at that. That Benz is crazy. It might look good. But yeah, bro. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this quick video, man. I'll give y'all a couple downshifters real quick. Hold on, I got y'all. This road looks beautiful right now. Y'all see? I'm sliding. But yeah, bro. Hey, but yeah, bro. I just want to give y'all a little slight POV, bro. I will catch y'all. I will catch y'all good folks in this video, bro. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. We out, man.
Subscribe and like that, hit that bell.